There are a few more things you'll need to add to your plan so that you can increase engagement for your email campaigns. A blog calendar. Based on the product launch calendar, write blog posts and set deadlines for them to be scheduled. Ensure that some blog posts promote the various sales pages, and other blog posts are designed for those who purchased already. For each message, consider who will see it and where they come from. A social media calendar. Develop social media messages in a series based on your blog posts that will attract your readers to click through to your sales pages and purchase or sign up for your email list. An email marketing calendar. Based on how everything works together above, create a series of emails that you can edit appropriately for each separate list that you may want to promote the new product to. Load them into the right autoresponders, ensuring they link to the right sales pages depending on the audience they are sent out to. Follow-up messages. Write a series of follow-up messages for each product that you sell. Once sold, you will want to keep in contact with the customer who bought it so that you can market future products and services to them. By creating a plan of action to follow, you can make sure every single time you launch a product that you can cross-promote other products and services without bombarding your list with messages they don't need, therefore increasing your conversion rates exponentially. If all the content you create fits together like a puzzle designed to promote your products and services in a seamless way, it'll be that much easier each time you get ready to launch a new product.